Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Oggy Inu token. Ticker symbol is Oggy. Now I just posted a video recently about the baby Oggy token that just came out. There's a few other ones that have been listed recently, but this is the OG, the OGGY. So this is the original one here, and this one is getting a brand new central exchange listing in 2 days. So we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is strictly just information. Take this with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Oggy Inu token. So at Oggy_Inu is their Twitter. They have the gold verified check mark on here. 16,100 Twitter followers. 2,395 tweets. Very active on here. It says Oggy is a community-driven token that cannot be controlled by anyone. And then they have the contract address right on their Twitter. Real easy to find. And their latest announcement, if you look on their Twitter, it is their pinned tweet right now, that this token is being listed on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Oggy, O-G-G-Y, and then simply just buy the token. Now, the exact listing period when you can get it off Mexc Global, trading will open 6 a.m. UTC time, May 8th. So today is May 6th, so in 2 days it will be available on Mexc Global. And this could be their initial central exchange listing, because in the top right hand corner it says initial listing. So I'm assuming this could be, one of the first central exchange listings for Oggy. So that's pretty cool. Now on their webpage it says they have a full white paper as well. Their webpage is oggyinu.com. Over there you can find the meme market, how to buy, tokenomics, partners, roadmap, white paper. There's a link to buy on KCEX if you want to do it on there. So all sorts of different things. And then it says they have a CERTIC audit. So they have a full CERTIC audit that they got, let's see here, April 19th. So they have a 77% trust score. So be aware of that. And it says they found 3 things that could be sketchy, and they 0 resolved so far. So it looks like they could do better, obviously, if they resolve these issues. But that is the trust score for Oggy Inu. So this is not 100% secure according to CERTIC. So be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research before getting the Oggy Inu token. You do not want to get rugged or anything like that. Now, it looks like they do have a KYC that you could click on here, and their audit. It says onboarding, though, so maybe it's not fully available yet, but you can see that it's in progress of them doing this on their webpage, and you'll be able to check out the full links on there. So, yeah, just click on Onboard CERTIC, it says at the top of their webpage. Then it says, Oggy Inu, the newest and most exciting meme coin. With a community-driven approach and a burning passion for memes, we believe Oggy Inu is the next big thing in the meme market. Join us on this journey to revolutionize the world of meme coins, and let's go to the moon together. So, tokenomics, it says 27.3% goes to pre-sale and liquidity, and 72 0.7% of the tokens get burnt. And that is basically how the token is allocated. Pretty straightforward there. We got, most of it being burnt, and then the rest just goes to pre-sale and liquidity. Contract address is on here. Looks like they're getting another central exchange listing too on gate.io. But that one's not available in a lot of countries, so in my opinion, Mexc Global might be a better try for most people, and that is why I put that referral code down there in the description box. Now, Oggy Inu looks like is also available on Baby Doge Swap, so that's kind of like a swap like Pancake Swap, so you could get it off there as well. But again, I don't know about taxes. It shows you how to buy step by step. It doesn't say change slippage, so maybe there is no taxes on there. Lots of partners on here. Lovely Inu, Volt Inu, Coin Tiger, so they're probably getting a Coin Tiger exchange listing as well. That's another kind of like lesser exchange. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, DexTools, BSC Scan, Aave.ai, Terra Luna's even on here. I don't know if you want to have that as one of your partners, but DexView, they probably got the low Certix score there. 77 just for being partners with Terra Luna. So they're also partners with RD Auditors. So maybe they're going to have another audit or KYC from them in the future. And Pink Sale. So they most likely had a pre-sale on Pink Sale too that I missed for some reason. I don't know how I missed that. But yeah, Oggy Inu has a roadmap also at the bottom of their page here. So stage 1 of the roadmap is idea, development of the website, community building, pre-sale on Pink Sale. So they probably have a lot of information about this token also on Pink Sale. I mean, obviously there's not a lot because this is a meme token, but you guys can go check out the Pink Sale pre-sale that they had over there. And then listed on Pancake Swap, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, 1,000 holders. Stage 2, 3,000 holders. Listing on central exchanges. So that's kind of where we're at now. And then they're going to have launch a marketing campaign phase 1, developing the Oggy marketplace, and then a voting feature. So there's going to be a DAO that's going to have voting rights for people. Launch the ambassadors campaign is after that. Cooperate and promote with partners. Stage 3, 5,000 holders. Fully launch the marketplace, voting. Then they're going to have a collection of NFTs, and then collection second audit by Certic. So that maybe that's why it's onboarding right now. I don't know. And it's going to come out fully in stage 3. And then a listing on more central exchanges. And yeah, that is about it. So check this token out on their webpage, oggyinu.com. And you can find their Twitter at oggy_inu. And you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global May 8th. 6 o'clock UTC time. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.